Hey everybody, it's Neil. I got this Olde Thompson spice jar set. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like and you'll see how it is. And this is it here. I got one that was kind of pretty looking. Oh shoot! Because I'm going to leave it out. Thankfully it didn't break. Comes on a little Lazy Susan thing here. And there. And then, how do I get these out? I guess I'm going to have to take out these. It kind of fit in there like that. It comes with a bunch of different stuff, like I don't know what fenugreek is, and I might have to put some new labels over these and put some other stuff. Thyme is something I would maybe possibly use. Basil is something for good. Cinnamon for sure. What is this one here? Coriander. That's a good one. Oh, it's got like a little divot in there so you know which side is the front. This one here is ginger. I smell the ginger. Ground cumin. Celery seed. Dill weed. Turmeric. Wow, that's heavy. Himalayan pink salt. That's kind of cool. Oregano. Ground fennel. Paprika. And rubbed mint. Rubbed mint. Oh, they come with a little cover on it. Ooh, that smells minty. I don't think it's gonna fit through the little end. No way it'll fit through that end, but you know, it's cool nonetheless. There's that. What was this one here? Oh, ground mustard. That one we can dump because we don't eat mustard in this house. And dill weed, did we already see these? Yep. So there we go. So very cool. I like this set. Thumbs up for sure.